So what is this?
The chocolate.
This is the cocoa.
Yeah, chocolate. See, three them around us out that whole heap of ripe chocolate, you know, man. You can't walk grown out of stuff, you know, look.
Yeah?
Walk go down there, man. Grow on there,
Ratty, big superstar. Yeah? You have to give us a oiii for the camera.
Alright, go on, smile.
Yeah, bud. Oiii. We're there. We just had some dinner. Rasmoko made some dinner for us, you know what I'm saying? Some rice and peas and some scrambled eggs, you see me? Now the superstar Ratty, him there, you see me, he's touring the city. Watch him now, he make this himself. And that's true.
Yeah.
So this is how you superstar people, right? Ratty. Yeah, cook and vibe. Give us a oiii. Oiii.
Oiii.
Oiii!
chocolate candy, that, brother.
Yes. So what is this?
The chocolate.
This is the cocoa.
Yeah, chocolate. See, three them around us out that whole heap of ripe chocolate, you know, man. You can't walk grown out of stuff, you know, look.
Yeah?
Walk go down there, man. Grow on there,
Cocoa, so I think what they do, yeah, is they dry this out, I think that's what they do. I think they dry it out. But this is cocoa. Wait, imagine, oh. Wait, bad. Trust me. See them there?
That gets whistle.
Shut my eyes, alright then. But how am I going to walk and shut my eyes? Because I'm going to knock off and bump into something. Well on. Just to close your eyes and me I walk. Can't I see?
Come on, over here.
Alright. Wait, Likkle one them there?
Yes, he's here. I will tell you.
Alright.
One, two. You licked on something. Come on. Open your eyes now.
Planting. Sit there, people.
Them is coming up. These are big planting. But look over there, but shut your eyes. And this. Come like this, too.
Yeah.
I am doing it.
Yeah.
Down still. Close your eyes. Close it over there. Close it over there too. Walk. You bumped into something. Boom. Open your eyes now. What's this?
Sugar cane.
Yeah.
Alright.
What's this one? Coconut tree. What you want
Alright.
to see my climb it?
Yeah,
Yeah.
alright. Yeah, that's what we want to see.
Climb this one and the one back home. Yeah. And I can climb this one too. Okay. This one. This one on here. Okay, coming up. Let's go. Is what like the wall? No. Look over here.
Oiii! You don't know people, man. That was today's episode. Rat's Kitchen. You see me, we're just cooling off now in the river. It's beautiful, Ratty there. I picked up the sitting. Beautiful, man. Have a look on the place.